Hello everyone, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video I would like to talk about how to fix your iPhone keeps crashing and how we can fix it whenever you're using any kind of particular app or the iPhone keeps crashing whenever you're using, how we can fix this app. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about if you're having an issue with a particular app. For example, if the WhatsApp keeps crashing, what you need to do is you just need to go to the App Store and you have to update the respective app. That's what you have to do. Go to the App Store over here, make sure you're connected to the internet. You have to go to the App Store and you have to search for, over here you have to search for the particular app which is crashing. For example, if you're going through any kind of issue with the WhatsApp, you can search for WhatsApp here. You can search for the WhatsApp, and once the WhatsApp has been searched, you can check for the WhatsApp update, or if you're having any kind of update for the WhatsApp, you can update it, and once afterwards, most probably the issue regarding the respective app will be fixed. And this is what you have to do as the first one. Next one is all about, after trying with this, if you're still having the trouble, the next step is all about, we have to do a force restart on your iPhone. So to do a force restart, you have to press volume up followed by volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. So what you need to do is you have to press the volume up followed by volume down, press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. So once you see the Apple logo, you just need to go back to your phone and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Last and the least step is all about, you have to reset all settings. So if you do this, what happens is your layout, Wi-Fi password and all those things will be completely gone, but your data and everything will be remain the same. So just go over here in the settings, you have to scroll down and navigate to the general. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Go over here and tap on reset. There is an option called reset all settings. Just go for reset and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. So these are the possible workarounds, and I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.